Hey, just a little update. In the midst of me battling whatever's going on with my balcony gardening, you'll see I've got something going on, little creatures, little pests that keep trying to attack. But in the midst of that, look, just wanted to show you I have a pepper. So it's still growing, producing vegetables. So I have another Italian pepper that actually is ripe. I'm going to pick it. Also, on my tomato plant, you'll see it's got its own challenges. I don't know what's going on. I did add some fertilizer to try and combat that, but at least in the midst, I just picked a cherry tomato. I'm excited. So, I have some crop, and then you'll see the cucumbers are blooming. I don't see anything that's developed out of it as of yet, but I will keep you posted. But it's exciting, even though it's doesn't come out the way that like I feel it should come out. I'm excited to see at least the blooms are coming out on the cucumbers, and I hope that I have both the male and the female flowers. Can't really tell. And the fully developed, ready to pick Italian pepper. So I'm going to keep you posted. I'll let you know how things are coming along. And that's it for today. As best as you can, remember to live, love, laugh, and smile. Until next time, bye.